Hi guys, I'm Christian Magbantay from SM Calamba Phone Style Store. So ayun, nakikita niyo yung pangalan ko, pati store ko. So ayun, introduce ko sa inyo ang App Gallery na sariling application ni Huawei kung saan pwede tayo mag-download ng mga application. So wait lang ha. So Huawei App Gallery. Huawei App Gallery where you can download application without using Google Apps. So basic lang mag-download ng mga application kay App Gallery. So wala kang gagawin kundi i-click lang siya and then hanapin mo yung apps or i-search mo siya. Tapos i-click mo siya and then install. So hindi lang yon, pwede mo din ditong i-download yung mga 6 top apps like shopping. Eto yun, no? Like, shopping, banking, travel, social, and entertainment. And then, pati na gaming. So, advantage pa dito, pwede ka pa mag-earn ng points using App Gallery. So, yung points na yon, pwede mo siyang ibayad kay Lazada or kay Shopee. So, napakadali lang. In case na hindi mo makita si apps sa App Gallery na gusto mong i-download, so pwede kang pumunta kay Huawei browser at i-search ito and then click mo yung link tapos i-download mo. So ayun guys, thank you for watching. So please like and share. Bye!